Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Old National Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Old National Bank, visit their official website. Create an account by providing your personal information. Ensure that you have a valid email address and phone number. Once your account is set up, log in to the online banking platform. Navigate to the investments section of the website. Review the various investment options available through Old National Bank. These options may include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. Assess your financial goals and risk tolerance to determine the best investment strategy for you. Consider scheduling a consultation with a financial advisor at Old National Bank. The advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation. To start investing, fund your account by linking a bank account or transferring funds. Decide on the amount you wish to invest and complete the transaction. Keep track of your investments through the online platform. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market trends and economic conditions to make informed decisions. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account for consistent growth. Take advantage of educational resources offered by Old National Bank to enhance your investment knowledge. Utilize tools and calculators available on their website to project future returns. Ensure you understand the fees associated with each investment option. Monitor your investments periodically to ensure they align with your financial goals. Be patient and give your investments time to grow while staying committed to your strategy. Reassess your investment approach at least annually or when significant life changes occur. By following these steps, you can effectively start your investment journey with Old National Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.